Hi, I'm Sasha from So Make. Today I thought I'd pop on and show you a video tutorial on how to put the pleats in hand finished curtains. So you can see here I've done a few already, and these are ready to put my pleats in as I go. So on the back of the curtain here I've got my positions which I've already measured out, my pleat, my space, my pleat. So what I do is I'm going to pop my two pins together. This is just on a sample curtain that I've been using for a class that I've been doing today, and I'm doing part 2 tomorrow. So I've popped both of my pins together, and I'm going to use one of these quilting pegs here to hold it in place. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a pin where they meet and take those two pins out. I'm going to lay it down at my machine, and I'm just going to, for now, make sure that the tops are completely aligned, and then just pop that underneath the foot, and then I'm just going to drop my needle. Now you can put a guide here if you've got a seam guide on your machine, and you can put a guide here to make sure that it's that it gives you a straight pleat all the way down, but I know a lot of you probably don't have seam guides, so the best way in which you can do it is I'm just going to do a 5-inch pleat, and then I know that it's 7 centimetres, so I've measured from here and it's 7 centimetres, so I'm just going to pop some pins along here because my pleat space was 14, so I'm just going to pop some pins of where my 7 is, just as a little guide, so you know where to stitch to, and just continue that all the way down to where your final pin is, and then just pop that on there. Like I said, it's probably easier to just pop a guide or a bit of tape down there, but just for today's tutorial I thought I'd do it this way. So I'm going to take my clip off, and then I'm going to start stitching. I'm using quite a wide stitch. I've got over 3 as my stitch length. So I'm then just going to start stitching down, and then just take my pins out as I go. And let the machine do the work, don't be tempted to pull it. And then when you get down the bottom, reverse it, take that pin out, and then just reverse it again, and then just cut all your threads off. And there we go, that will be your finished pleat, and then you just repeat that across the width. That's that bit for now. I'll pop back and show you how I pleat these up and how I stitch them in position. Thanks.